Yo, see that? Adventure time again. We're going to Dunn River Falls. I joke now, we're going to fish Dunn Falls. We just enjoy the day today, you know? Simple. Now do nothing too extravagant. Yeah.
Hi! Come with us to Portland. We're going to chicken now. Ramesh, where we're going?
Fish Dunn Falls.
Fish Dunn. What?
Falls.
Come with us, guys, to Fish Dunn Falls. We're stopping. Where we are now? Portland.
Oh, I
You have to get them things that straight before you video.
We're take 7.
Alright, so guys, come with us on the journey. We're at OFC going to Fish Dunn Spa. I'm not doing that.
Ramesh, I believe you.
Yeah.
I believe you.
Tell them now, baby, we're not going to church this morning. Right now, guys, we are head out. We just get some food at OFC, get some soup on the block. We have a liquor. We now left the liquor. You know what I think Appleton Estate need to give me a contract. Go on the fan. Yeah, so we're head out now. We are going Fish Dunn Falls. Yeah? Jackfruit. All right, my boss. Yes, with it. Come here, baby. Come on, come on. So young, you know.
What do you mean the man that's so young again?
Portland. Bolt.
Yeah. You ain't move it now.
Make sure you get the epic snap, you know. Yeah. Yeah. See, pause there. Stephanie, see me get her name right? See that?
Yeah. I'm going to Portland side.
Yeah. Hometown.
When you reach St. Mary, come to Tiffany.
You're there.
Go for the next side.
Eh? Where's that? Where's that?
Next side of St. Mary.
Oh, come here, sir. Come. Oh, no. Weird. So I go on.
And Stephanie around here. And Tiffany around here.
Yeah.
Bro, from time to time, if you have to catch me on the go, because I'm always up on the move. Yo, this minute me with there sent me, you know. But if you look on the real thing, you know, two of me I move fast, me can go there.
Yeah.
Portland! That's what I'm telling you, so you have to catch me on the go, bro. Never the one place too long.
Fuck at it again.
Just from weird.
Jukyum.
Yeah. Come on, that way. Whoa, there you go. Whoa. Buzz. Wait. Beer, yo, craziness. Beer juice, liquor, days. Yeah, man, look at eggs. Which part do you want to go?
Yeah, pick when I go over there, my boy.
But you don't look like. Can't catch a right one.
Jano.
Oh, yeah.
Go feet, my boy.
That's a 100, you know.
If you even have 50.
Yeah.
Watch out now. Oh God, that boy woman, you know. That boy woman, you know. Come again, my boy.
Hey.
I see him catch that one there. Yeah, take that one there. Blood fired. Don't drop if you drop me, laugh. Little pressure for me.
See that? 3, you know? No, you're not picking anymore. Come, go. Let the man say no more.
Lying.
Touches.
Alright.
My name is a jump in the head.
Hell, that is authorized. Hey, shy bad. Up there, daddy. I would radam.
Bro, stop come on, see it.
Fire! Fire! Jaja. Always normal I go on in a Stephanie mouth, you know.
Yeah, we are going to make one more. The star fruits that is in the fridge door. Star fruits is sour. So you know, I'm going to put some honey in it. The drugs are there. Drugs are where you're in there. Eat it after.
That's something not gonna last long. Watch out, pick out the thing out of your teeth there. You know what say, hold on, hold it my boss. Hold it, don't move. Oh boss, watch your shot. Yeah! Yeah, come back again, ready? Boss. Bubble. Oh, him do it, yeah. The Asian from the river, yeah. Oh, him have it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that man. Oh, yeah, this me come from.
There's a Commodus, we're gonna swim.